Hi, welcome to Car 360. This is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQC AMG Line, registration PK23 MVZ, with just 25,000 miles and ready to drive away. It's had one owner and comes with a clear history. Powered by a 88 kilowatt-hour battery, it offers up to 254 miles of range and goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. Ultra rapid charge takes it from 10 to 80% in around 40 minutes. Enjoy blind spot assist, electric sliding sunroof, keyless go comfort package and parking package with parking assist PARKTRONIC and rear camera. If you're interested in this car, reserve it online or contact one of our EV specialists today. Thank you.